It's time for your daily dose of DragonFeather.
Black is my favorite color. Makes me feel like we know each other. Blank tapes and posters on the door. Oh, what the fuck? Listen to
make some shit on the spot. That's crazy.
That's awesome.
I really don't want you to attack me, but you're just so beautiful. I just had to get you on film. Super beautiful.
World star! Okay, that's making me nervous. This is gonna hit me. I can't do shit with these. You try to fight with this hand. Okay, after. Oh, face. That was not a bastard.
It's DragonFeather, and sorry for the late upload today. I've been kind of obsessed with catching up in Game of Thrones. Yeah, you just saw my munchie corner. Ooh, yes, all the food. I've been watching Game of Thrones and I've been kinda slacking because it broke me a little bit on the inside. To those of you guys who've been watching, I'm not gonna spoil it because I'm not like that, but the dragons, man. The dragons. I've been binge watching it through a free trial of HBO Now on the App Store. I was pretty excited about it, and I finished what I needed to finish. And I'm all caught up now. Still a little broken, but I'm all caught up now. Sorry that I didn't post a vlog last week. My friend came to visit me, who I haven't seen in 3 years. It was intense and it was awesome, and I missed him very much, and yeah, it was cool. He's pretty dope. And he helped me rearrange my room, which I'm almost done and ready for a room tour, so I'll probably have a room tour video up next week or the week after that. So yeah, but if you guys want a quick sneak peek, this is kind of what it looks like right now. But yeah, that's kind of where I'm at. Again, I apologize for the lack of uploads, but I'm getting back on track, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Thanks for watching, but until next time, stay geeky, cheeky, and freaky, little hatchlings. Blessed be, and bye! Mwah.
We'll see you back next time for your DDLDF, and like, comment, subscribe for your DDLDF. And if you didn't get enough, make sure to check down below to see what I'm up to and be in the know. So stay geeky and cheeky and freaky, little hatchlings. Stay geeky and cheeky and freaky just for me.